Is your Elementor widget panel not loading? Don't worry, you're not the only one. It's a very common issue, and in this video, I will show you easy step-by-step methods to fix it. So let's get started. So here is this issue, and we're going to resolve this. And the first step that we're going to take is to update everything. Sometimes Elementor doesn't work because the plugins or WordPress are not updated. Here's what to do. Go to your WordPress dashboard, select Updates. Now update WordPress, Elementor, Elementor Pro, your theme if there is any update available. Then check your Elementor again. It may start working now. Well, that's not the case for me. My WordPress, my plugins and my theme all are up to date. Now, if updating didn't help, here's a quick workaround. This one is temporary, so it won't solve the issue permanently, but it can help you access the editor in the meantime. Simply hover your cursor on the widget panel, right click on it, select Inspect. Now you can see this line, Elementor panel not loading. Simply hit the delete button. Now the panel may show up, but remember, this is just a quick fix. It may stop working if you refresh the page, just like you can see over here. So let's move on to the next method, which is to switch to Editor Loader. This can sometimes resolve the loading issues. Go to Elementor, select Settings, click the Advanced tab. From the Switch Editor Loader drop-down menu, select Enable. Now click Save Changes. Open your Elementor again and see if it works. If not, let's move on to the next method. That is to check Elementor system info. Your site needs certain settings to run Elementor properly. So go to Elementor, click System Info, and here check these settings. Your WordPress version should be 6.5 or higher. PHP version should be 7.4 or higher. PHP memory limit at least 256 MB. 512 or more is best, and I think this is the one causing issue since there is a recommendation of increasing the memory limit. So if you're facing the same issue of having memory limit below 256, you might need to increase it. We're going to use FileZilla for this. Open FileZilla or your FTP client. Here enter your FTP login. Get this from your hosting panel. Find the file name wp-config.php. Right click and choose Edit. Editing it in Notepad. If you see this line, define WP memory limit and it is set to 32 MB. Change it to 512, and if the line is not included, add it by yourself. Now save the file by pressing Ctrl and S. Let's refresh this page, and here the memory limit has updated. Now let's check Elementor, and there we go. Now the widget panel is loading fine. So if it doesn't work for you, try to increase it to 768 and check it again. And even after using all these methods, you're still facing this issue, then try using Elementor's built-in safe mode. Go to Elementor, select Tools. Under the General tab, turn on Safe Mode and Debug Mode. This will turn off all other plugins and themes, only Elementor will stay on, and a default theme will be active. After doing this, go to your page, refresh it, and if the widget panel loads, then it means the problem is in your theme or one of the plugins. So to find out which one is causing the problem, go back, disable the Safe Mode and Debug Mode. By doing this, all your plugins and the theme you were using will be activated again. Now go to your Parents, select Theme, switch to a simple theme like 2025 or Hello, which is Elementor's own theme. Now check the widget panel. If Elementor works, the problem was your theme. Change it. If it doesn't, then the problem lies in your plugin. So for that, go to Plugins, Turn off all the plugins except Elementor. Turn them back one by one, and after activating each plugin, check your page. If the widget panel loads after deactivating a specific plugin, it means that plugin was the issue. Once you find out the faulty plugin, check if it has an update, update it and check the widget panel again. If the issue is still there, you might need to delete the plugin or contact the plugin provider. Another reason for this issue can be using extra widgets. Turning off the ones you don't use can help. Go to that plugin setting, turn off all the extra widgets you don't need. This makes Elementor lighter and it can stop it from crashing. Another reason of this issue can be your site URLs. Go to Settings, select General. Make sure these two things, WordPress address and site address, are same. If they are different, fix them and click Save Changes. Then check Elementor again. Sometimes the issue can be caused by incorrect URLs. So these are the methods to resolve this issue. And for those who are facing this problem after recent update, roll back to the older version. For that, go to Elementor, select Tools. Now select Version Control. Choose a version before the update. Hit the Save Changes button. Then go to General. Clear Elementor cache and sync library. To remove any older cache versions, hit the Save Changes button and check your page again. So if rolling back fixes the issue, but you still want to update Elementor, first check Elementor's changelog to see if the newer version has fixed the specific issue you encountered. If the problem persists even after a fresh update, try the other steps we've covered in this video. And remember, always back up your entire site before updating any plugin to avoid losing anything important. One last thing to try, sometimes the issue isn't with your site but with your browser. Try these. Clear browser's cache and cookies. Try opening Elementor's in incognito mode. If it opens fine there, then the issue is with your browser. Or try a different browser like Firefox or Edge. And that's it. If your Elementor still doesn't work even after all this, contact Elementor support or your hosting provider. But in most cases, fixing memory settings or removing a bad plugin solve it. So if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more troubleshoot videos.